So I am going to show you how to bump and extend your lessons in Planbook. You basically bump your lesson in case there's a snow day and now you need to do it the next day. And you can extend lesson or standards in order to cover a full unit, or say something is just taking longer for your kiddos to understand. So what you're going to do is hover over your lesson plan that you are wanting to bump or extend. You're going to click this down arrow. Then you can bump forwards or you can bump backwards. If you bump forwards, you also have the option of choosing how many days you bump it forward. It's automatically going to be set to 1 day. So then you would just click bump forward, and now I have it on Tuesday. So now let's say I need to extend it. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hover over my lesson. I'm going to click my down arrow, and I can also do the same thing. I can extend it over 3 days or 4 days or however many your unit is. And you also have that option for your standards. So while the lesson I'm doing might only take 1 day, my standards might take 4 days. So then you just same thing, click it, and you're done. And now you can see my standards. I can see, okay, this might be 1 unit of counting to 100 by 1s and by 10s. And it might take me a whole week, or it might just take a couple of days. So those options are in there for you.